Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any cardigan, sweaters, shawls, caps, gents sweaters. From backside our pattern will look like this. And for this pattern I have used solid ribbing and long tail cast on. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 2 stitches plus 1 stitch to complete the pattern, and this is only 4 rows pattern. For demonstration I have taken 9 stitches. Now let us start. This is our first row. Slip 1 stitch and then repeat pattern, knit 1 stitch and purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch and purl 1 stitch. Again next repeat, knit 1 stitch and purl 1 stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Now second row. Slip 1 stitch and then repeat pattern, purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. This is our first repeat. Now second repeat pattern, purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Now third repeat, purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Now fourth repeat, purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Here we have completed our second row. Now third row, slip edge stitch and then repeat pattern, knit 1 stitch and then purl 1 stitch. Now second repeat, knit 1 stitch and then purl 1 stitch. Third repeat, knit 1 stitch and then purl 1 stitch. Fourth repeat, knit 1 stitch and then purl 1 stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Now fourth row. Slip edge stitch and then repeat pattern, purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Now second repeat, purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Third repeat, purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Fourth repeat, purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Here we have completed our fourth row. Now let us start working on our fifth row. Slip first edge stitch and then repeat pattern, loop stitch below third row from here, loop stitch and then collect on left needle and knit 2 stitches together. Now for next stitch, this is our repeat pattern. Now second repeat, again loop stitch below third row, collect stitch on left needle and then knit both stitches together from back loop and then purl 1 stitch. Now third repeat, loop stitch below third row, collect on left needle and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop and purl next stitch. Again next repeat loop stitch below third row and then collect on left needle and knit 2 stitches together from back loop and purl next stitch. This is our last repeat pattern and also last row of the pattern. Now onwards repeat row 2nd to 5th to get your desired length. After few repeats our pattern will look like this. If you like my video then please like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends, bye bye, see you.